Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2021 Ford Mustang GT. This accident-free rear-wheel drive coupe is powered by a 5-liter V8 paired to a 6-speed manual transmission that can still get you only 10 to 16 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Moving to the back of the interior, you have a great looking spoiler, these nice quad exhaust tips. You have your GT badge and backup camera. You can also open the trunk, which has lots of cargo space. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on both windows. On the steering wheel, you have your hands-free audio, cruise control, as well as display controls. You have rain sensing wipers as well as lane keeping assist. This Mustang currently has just 10,101 kilometers. You have your Bluetooth ready stereo, your climate controls, engine start stop, traction control, and steering feel, as well as the shift knob for your 6-speed manual. This vehicle is also equipped with the Katzkin black leather seats, and both front seats are power adjustable. You also have this nice Mustang badging on the door sill. You can flip up the front seats, and you have room for 2 more passengers who also have seat pockets in the back of both front seats. If you would like to see this 2021 Ford Mustang GT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.